Hello from Mexico and welcome back to our channel. So today we're taking you guys out to Altotonga, which is in Veracruz, and they have some waterfalls and that we're going to go and check out. This is the first time we've been there, but we're going on a little adventure. We have Lupe, my niece, with us as well, and we're meeting up with our friends Rudolph and Donovan. And I think Rudolph's tias are going as well, but we're taking you guys along with us because we've never been there before, and it looks absolutely stunning, and we've heard that it's amazing and the water is clear, so we're excited to take you guys. So if you like what you're watching, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. But let's head out to Veracruz to visit Altotonga. Okay, we're here at Rudolph's. Here at Rudolph's house. And we are putting this delicious agua de coco in the cooler so that we can take it, but we have to keep it cold. So we're gonna put it in here so we can keep it cold.
Spam in it, and then some teriyaki sauce.
How do you say it again?
Spam masubi.
Spam?
Masubi.
Masubi.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it does have a little bit of sauce.
Yeah, we've never had them.
Spam.
Uh-huh.
And you have the teriyaki sauce. Some might not have it.
Uh-huh.
And then the seafood.
And you made these, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And they're pretty good.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah. Look at that. It's like a circle. Why? That's crazy. Made it. No, it's a river, baby. Not a beach, it's a river.
And they have everything we need. They have water.
Look how pretty, puppy. Oh, they have shorts. They have all kinds of stuff here. And micheladas. Ahorita no.
Damon.
There's Daddy. What are you doing, Dad? Carrying stuff. Poor Fidel. Poor Fidel. ¿Ya está bien?
Okay.
¿Sí?
I love the water. This is how the water's going to look throughout.
So pretty. Veracruz is such a beautiful state. Like, they have some of the most beautiful things to see.
The locals here are very, very on top on tourism, making sure that they don't litter or throw trash.
Good.
Because a lot of water that's on top, the locals use that water for consumption.
Oh, okay.
That's down here, it's mostly used for like irrigation or like to water the fields or for people to go inside.
Right. Oh, I see what you meant. You can't cook down here.
Yeah, because it's all
Yeah.
green. And we all know how our Mexican people are.
That's why
Yeah,
we
just
brought
throw it
sandwiches,
in
y'all.
So we're going to the waterfall. So we keep walking until we see the waterfall. We won't be even near it. Huh? Not yet.
Bajar, Lupe. Daniel's over there swimming under waterfalls. We're right here. Beautiful and clear. I know. Taking a little break for lunch. Tortas de tuna salad, ensalada de atún. We also have ham and cheese. We got chips. We got all kinds of stuff. So now we're heading up to the big, like, main waterfall. I'm gonna take you guys with us. Let's go.
Right there, right where that little hole is.
Oh, that's where you got in? I saw pictures online of people in that. That's a really cool. Hey, be very careful, okay? Do you see it? Isn't that cool? This is the whole reason that Diego wanted to come, huh, Diego? He was so excited to take pictures here. I'll make sure to include them at the end of the video so that you guys can see them. This is so beautiful. Okay, the baby's eating. We found a shallow, well, a spot that's a little bit more shallow so that Dominic could play. Now we're just taking a little break. Mira, Lupe, no necesita nada. Ya, sí, no te pongas así, ¿verdad?
Le digo a Candice, como allá en el pueblo más te bañas, no hay un lugar donde te puedes sentar en la agua. Y la única agua que está allá es del río de Orizaba, pura nieve.
Cierto.
Ah, that's no, no.
Pero la verdad que no me gustó.
¿Se fueron para...?
Me dio mi amigo
Sí, ya, es muy tranquilo. Bueno, también allá está. They have cabins up there, guys. And then there's a bunch of food and stuff all around here. Agua frescas, swim stuff you can buy. I probably already showed you this, but I can't remember, so I just want to make sure I get it. There's a lot of rules to follow when you come here, though, so please make sure that if you come here, you're respectful of the rules. All right, we're back at the cars. It is, so if you come here, it is quite a walk to get to the Cascadas. or the waterfalls. I don't. I think the state of Veracruz has so many beautiful places to go to. Well, all of Mexico does, but definitely the state of Veracruz. But this is so much fun. I'm so glad they invited us to come and do this. So cool. Everybody's tired.
I was just going through my feed, and it's funny, like the first video that pops up. Like the first video that pops up.
Oh, Diego's video.
My IG.
Did you have fun? You slept through the waterfalls. Tu dormir en las cascadas. No ves nada.
He's gonna be awake the whole entire drive.
That's true. He will be awake the whole drive. It's gonna be fun for all of us.
Todo camino. De nuevo.
Rudolph is trying to convince me to have one more baby.
One more.
But Rudolph, you don't have to stay up at night with them.
I think the fourth.
It's a lot.
The fourth, it's gonna be a girl.
Stop telling people how many babies they have.
I can't have kids.
Whoa! Gotta say bye to the tias. So that's gonna wrap up this vlog. Thank you so much for coming with us to Altotonga. This was a beautiful, beautiful space. We're glad that we got to come and experience it. If you get the chance, highly, highly recommend, of course. But state of Veracruz, absolutely beautiful. Shout out to everybody out there that's either in Veracruz or from Veracruz. And as always, thank you guys so much for being here. We really appreciate it. So we are going to head home, show you a little bit of that drive. But thanks for being here. We'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye, guys. Also, before I forget, I am putting Diego's pictures at the end of this vlog.
Hey.